In the heart of Jamaica's blue mountains, beneath a canopy of stars, two hearts beat as one in secret. Abeni, a vibrant young woman of the Maroon people, and Kojo, a valiant warrior from a neighboring village, share a love that defies their ancient traditions. Their meetings are a blend of passion and peril, as they navigate a love forbidden by the very laws that have held their people together for centuries.
Kojo, our love feels as boundless as these mountains, yet it is a love that must remain hidden. How long can we live in the shadows of our ancestors' expectations?
Abeni, my heart is yours, even if our love defies the laws that bind us. We must be cautious, but my devotion to you is unwavering.
Within the sacred circle of the village elders, the air is thick with tradition. Nana Efua, the revered elder and Abeni's grandmother, sits at the heart of this council. Her wisdom and experience are sought as she faces a heart-wrenching dilemma: uphold the ancient customs, or embrace a love that threatens to disrupt the very fabric of their society.
Abeni, your love is powerful, yet our traditions are the bedrock of our existence. To break them is to risk unraveling the strength of our community. How can we honor the past while allowing for a new future?
In the dimly lit council house, the elders deliberate on the fate of Abeni and Kojo's forbidden love. The weight of their ancestors' laws hangs heavy in the room. The future of the village and the very essence of their traditions hang in the balance as the elders weigh the consequences of a choice that could forever alter their way of life.
Allowing this union could dilute our bloodline and weaken our unity. The ancestors' laws must be upheld to preserve our heritage.
But love, when true, can bridge divides and forge new paths. We must consider whether preserving tradition means stifling the potential for growth and unity.
As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the village, Abeni faces Mosi, the man chosen for her by tradition. The tension between them is palpable. Mosi's love for Abeni is deep, yet he knows she harbors feelings for another. The clash between duty and desire reaches a boiling point, forcing Abeni to confront the reality of her choices.
Abeni, I have honored our traditions and loved you with all my heart, yet you speak of another. How can you turn away from all we've built together?
Mosi, you are a good and honorable man, but my heart belongs to someone else. I cannot continue this path of pretense. I hope you can understand, even if it means parting ways.
Amidst a tempestuous night, Abeni stands at the edge of a cliff, the storm mirroring the turmoil in her heart. Kojo and Mosi stand on either side, each representing different aspects of her life, love and duty. In this moment of reckoning, Abeni must choose between the safe confines of tradition and the uncertain promise of love.
I stand at a crossroads, facing the weight of my heritage and the call of my heart. Kojo, I choose you, even though it means defying the world I've always known.
Abeni, together we will face the challenges ahead, carving a new path while honoring the lessons of our past. Our love will guide us through.
As the storm subsides, a new dawn breaks over the Blue Mountains. Abeni and Kojo, united by their love and determined to forge a future together, embark on a journey that bridges the gap between tradition and change. In the heart of their beloved land,